Dear friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Natas, a war game from the OverTheWire, designed to sharpen your web application security skills. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's jump in and start hacking our way through Natas. The level I'm going to do in this video will be level 0, which is very easy. However, I'm more likely to show you how to use a Python and the request module. You know, request module is a third-party module of Python. And also, I'd like to demonstrate how to use one class of request module to implement HTTP Basic Authentication. As you know, now many web services which requires authentication accept HTTP Basic Authentication, and the third-party module request has one class straight out of the box to do or to implement basic authentication for us very easily. Okay, so without further ado, let's head over to Kali Linux VM, and we need to copy this address as starting point and put into the address bar. Press enter, and we are required to supply the username and password, which is called HTTP Basic Authentication. No problem. We can username is Natas 0, and the password is also Natas 0. Click sign in. All right, we have been authenticated successfully, and this is the side of the Natas 0. It's just one simple message that says you can find the password for the next level on this page. But after I look around this page, we cannot find any password, right? So how to find this password? In many cases, we can go to the page source by right-clicking your mouse. If you have already followed my channel, when we emulate web application, viewing page source would be very essential step. Okay, so this case, as you can see, there are two comments in source code, and the second comment contains the password for the next level. Okay, very easy. We have already got the password for the next level, Natas 1. Next, I'd like to show you how to use Python to code program to do the same level or to do the same task. Okay, let's open up the editor of PyCharm. You can use any editor what you're comfortable with. And the first module I'd like to import is requests module. Just I mentioned at the very beginning, this module is third-party module. To use it, you need to install it with pip. But the installation itself is very simple. I am not going to go through this process. And the next module I'd like to import is regular expression module. You know, this one can help us to extract the wanted information based on the pattern. Okay, and the next, so how to do next? The code would be very easy, very simple. Oh, sorry, I forgot to import the basic authentication class. So from requests and authentication module, import HTTP Basic Authentication class. You know, this is a class. So I think I'd like to initialize the instance for this class and set it to the variable name as basic or any name. if you want, and HTTP Basic Authentication. And we need to give two arguments. The first one is username. This case is Natas 0, and the password is also Natas 0. And the next, we can send the request to the web application, and the request has its method. So response. So this method, the returned information will be saved into this variable response. So request module get. Okay, request can support different types of methods, like a get, like a post, like a put, but get and post are the most popular methods for HTTP, and we can use the keyword arguments rather than positional argument. Keyword argument would be more readable by human being. So we can define the URL. The first argument is URL. We can copy the URL from the address bar of the browser, put it in here. And also we need to pass the second argument. In this case is authentication. And we can pass the basic variable here. Next, we need to define the pattern. We can use the R or the law. Usually we need to use the R, and everything will be matched exactly. Okay. So next, we need to find the appropriate pattern which can meet our goal. We want to extract the comment. So all comment should be extracted for us. And the feature or the pattern for this comment is, some special characters like, the, exclaimer or the double hyphen, and also will be closed by the same tag. Okay. So how to do? Maybe we can copy this one and go to this online service. This site, I like it very much. You can test your pattern here. Okay. For example, I have already pasted our string here, and this is the pattern. And how to get? You can copy and put over here, and we can use the parentheses to wrap the interested information. And different comment, this part would be different, so we can use the dot. This will means any character except the new line, everything will be matched. And also we can use the quantity pattern here. Asterisk stands for 0 or more repetition of the previous regular expression. In this case, previous regular expression would be this one, the dot. Okay. And then we can put the question mark at its end to make it not greedy. Okay. And then I think that's it. We can copy because we have already got matched the result, and copy and paste in here between single quote. And then we can use the method regular expression find all, and this method will return a list of matched results. Okay. And then we need to give two arguments. The first one is pattern, and here I'd like to use positional arguments. And the second position would be original string, which to be matched. So this case would be response. Response is object, and this object has text attribute, text. Okay. So now, and next we can have if statement, if length. As I said, result is a list, so we can pass this list to check how many items in this list. If greater than 0, it means that there is something or some items in this list. And then we can print like found comment from source code. Okay, something like that. And then we can have a for loop. So item in result. So we can loop over this list, and then we can, in each iteration, we can get every comment or every matched result, and then we can print out item. So I think that's pretty much it. Now we can save and to run it to see whether there is any error in this code. So we can run Python Natas, press enter. Fantastic. Doesn't have any error. We successfully retrieved 2 comments, and one of them contains the password for the next level, or Natas 1. So that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.